Jiangmen Hoffee Houseware Company Limited, located in Jiangmen City, Guangdong Province, mainly produce and supply kinds of stainless steel household products. Major products is stainless steel bar tools, coffee accessories, and kitchenware, such as cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, milk jug, coffee grinder, pitcher, etc. We mainly take OEM and ODM orders, except design, logo, and packaging customization. We also can accept small orders because we have made inventory of most products to supply for small and medium-sized buyers. Our company was newly established in 2017. Most of our staffs have more than 10 years of experience in production and export of stainless steel products. Know rules of each market well. Besides, our colleagues in the production department also have more than 20 years of production experience and can provide professional guidance for product development and customization. Our company service tenet, all for customers, for all customers. Besides satisfied quality, competitive price, best service is also our mission. We not only reply our customer in time, we also provide track service of whole production. It includes sending pictures of each production step for our customer, 3 inspection online of production, 5%, 50%, 100% finish in container loading monitoring. We also act as a sourcing and purchasing agent for our old customers, using big data to integrate all suppliers' resources we have to provide more appropriate choice for our customer.